We have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time on the controversy that has been created by Naseeruddin Shah. Times Now confronted Naseeruddin Shah and take a look at what happened.
Want to talk about it?
Why, sir? Just wanted your clarification.
Don't do this, please.
Just clarification needed from you. What you meant, just clarification needed from you, sir.
I do not want to talk about this issue, so please don't harass me.
No, I'm not harassing you, just asking that.
So please go.
I'm trying to just ask you a question. What exactly you meant, when you stated that you were disinvited from the university?
I don't want to talk about it.
So why are you pushing the mic, sir?
Because you're shoving it into my face.
I'm not. I'm just asking.
I'm not answering you.
I'm just asking.
No,
What is there in that? Why are you getting angry, sir? I'm just.
Back off.
Because you're bothering me.
I'm not.
bothering me.
I'm
You
not.
understand what
I'm
that
just
word?
trying to
Will you
ask
take
a
that
question.
away? Will you take that out of my face?
No, I'm just trying to ask a
Will you
question.
get it out of my face?
What's the problem in answering a simple question, sir?
He doesn't want to answer. Why can't you take a no for an answer?
What kind of people are you?
Yeah.
What kind of a person are you?
No.
You can't see that I've just come in from a journey and I've said to you politely, I don't want to talk about this issue. Why are you persisting? Why are you harassing me?
Sir, I'm not harassing you.
You are harassing
In
me.
respected manner.
You are-
asking
I
you a
don't
simple
want-
question.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I'm understanding.
I
Why
do
are you
not
getting
want-
irritated, sir? I'm understanding.
There's a camera. जाने दो. Latif bhai, here.
All right, so actor Naseeruddin Shah there refusing to comment, and this is basically about a controversy that has now been created. Veteran actor Naseeruddin Shah, in fact, in his op-ed that was published in a leading English daily, has claimed that Urdu Department of Mumbai University, which organizes Jashn-e-Urdu event, first sent him an invite for the February 1st event, and then he was disinvited at the last moment. And Times Now Shomit tried to, get an answer from Naseeruddin Shah on this particular story, and you saw what happened. Shomit is joining us live right now for more on this.